again, folks. This time we're going to try a single pin pick. It is this Commando lock. It is, as you can see here, it is a Peacemaker. It's a 38B Y52 keyway. Got this one on trade from Jeff Moss. Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate it. Always want one of these here. Nice wee brass Commando locks. They're lovely. There's your keyway. So it's a Y52 keyway. As you say, ours says USA Commando Lock Company. It does come with working key. As you can see, it's not, or it is key retaining. Sorry. As you can see, sorry, it's locked up there again. So there's no spring on the cord or spring on the shackle. There is the bitting on the keys. Obviously these do have security pins, and there's this one's a 5-pinner. There you go. So I'm just going to use top keyway tension. Mad Bob pry bar just fits in there nicely. And sorry, Peterson short hook. So just start from the back. Touch and pin 5. Touch and pin number 3. Touch and pin number 2. Touch and pin number 1. Pin 4, and that's us open, as you can see. So that's your Commando lock. That's your 38B single pin picked. Thanks very much for watching, folks, and all the best now. Bye bye.